And here we go. 2014 Upper Deck SP Game Use Golf. SP Game Use Edition Golf for eddy337. Good luck, senor. Here we go. There you go, Justin. Something else in Star Wars. If Justin is still here, Mark's cards. Here we go. Box number 1. Come on, let's make one dream come true tonight. We got Fred Couples. And this should be our rookie autograph. Rookie autograph is number 2. 199. Michelle Wee. First tee rookies. Very, 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 very nice. And our hit in the back is Craig and Kevin Stadler. The Walrus. Where's Walter? Walter didn't get excited over that card. Oh, Walter. Melissa Reed and Thong Chai JD. Two in the back. Dummy. Wow. Very nice. Michelle Wee out of 199. Box number 2. Walrus and Walrus G. Yeah, that's what I hear. She's been hurt lately. She's not herself. Alright, here we go. We got Steve Stricker. Stricker. And Jack Nicklaus. And our hits. Ooh, it's a rookies. 140 of 199. Ryan O'Toole. Wow, that's a 2 rookie box. Both of them numbered to 189. I've yet to see that. First time I've seen that. And our hit behind her is, why not? Michelle Wee Hot Box. 3 color, 1 color. A little bit of funky design in there in the middle. I would not know. Oh, look at that. And another hit. Nice. Spectrum. Trevor Immelman. 6 of 25. Wow. What a box. Very nice. That was a 3-hit pack. Oh, come on. Whoo! Do it! Do it! Alright, we got Ben Crenshaw. And Natalie Golbis. Inked Drivers. Oof. I'm gonna go clean my fingers. Very nice. And right behind him we have Fred Couples and Payne Stewart. What a box. Fred Couples and Payne Stewart. Very nice. And a D.H. Lee, Jason Kokrak, and a dummy card. That was the box. Very nice box. 2 Michelle Wees, the Ryan O'Toole, the Natalie Golbis, the Payne Stewart, and Fred Couples, along with the Stadler brothers, and that Spectrum of Trevor Immelman. Very nice, Eddie. Very nice. Congratulations. Thank you very much.